Okay, now we're looking at integration using substitution here, and it'll either tell you what the substitution is, which it does in this case, which is that, or it will be pretty obvious what it will be. So here we go. First of all, I'm going to say, well, u equals 1 plus e to the x. That's fairly straightforward. I would say also, using that, e to the x equals u minus 1. Okay, now that might come in useful, it might not. We're also going to have to find du dx. So du dx is going to be, and I'm going to have to be economical with room, because this takes quite a while, I'm afraid. So there we go, equals du dx equals e to the x. And I'm going to have to rearrange that to find that dx equals e to the minus x du, because what I'm going to do when I substitute in, I'm still going to have dx there, so I'm going to have to substitute something in for the dx, which involves the du, so that I know that that's what I'm integrating with respect to. So here we go. So now let's substitute everything in, and we get this. We've got e to the 3x. Oh right, okay, good. So that's u minus 1 cubed, and over, now I know that's u. Excellent. Now this actually is not very useful at the moment. E to the minus x is going to be, I want that really in terms of u. So e to the minus x is 1 over u minus 1 du, and I've taken that from here, okay, because e to the minus x is just the reciprocal of e to the x, isn't it? So there we go. Right, now then, I need to swap in my dx. It was dx there times e to, oh no, that, look at that, you see, because now we're going to get some stuff cancelling, okay, and yeah, like I say, this here will cancel with one of these here, won't it? Okay, so that's good news. So here we go. We've got u minus 1 squared over u du. Excellent. Now actually, best thing to do here is to multiply out the brackets, I would have thought. So we get u squared minus 2u plus 1 over u du. And then I'm going to have to come down here, and I'm going to do some simplifying before I start integrating. So I've got u minus 2 plus 1 over u du, and here we go. Should be nice and easy now. We integrate u, we get a half u squared minus 2u plus ln u plus c. Okay, and then we're going to swap in u equals 1 plus e to the x, and we get a half ln. What am I talking about, half ln? It's just a half. I do apologise. 1 plus e to the x squared. Alright, and minus 2 1 plus e to the x plus ln of 1 plus e to the x. Now that ln 1 plus e to the x, this bit here, okay, going to marry up with that bit there, isn't it? And then when I multiply out the brackets down here, if I multiply this bracket and all this out and simplify, I should end up with that. I'm running out of room, so there you go. So when you're substituting, remember, find you've got an obvious substitution, or you're given a substitution. I mean, I've done this part here because I think I might need it, and actually I did need it. But don't forget to convert your dx to a du as well, or whatever you're substituting in. All right, because that's pretty crucial, and that will make your life a lot easier as well, because lots of stuff will cancel.